Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Bitcoin miner. First, carefully unbox your application-specific integrated circuit, or a SIC, miner. These specialized devices are designed for efficient cryptocurrency mining. Next, find a well-ventilated area, ideally with a consistent temperature, to place your miner. This helps prevent overheating and ensures long-term performance. Finally, gather your Ethernet cable and power supply units, preparing for the next steps. Now, let's get your miner connected. Take your Ethernet cable and plug one end into your miner and the other into your router or network switch. A stable wired connection is crucial for consistent mining. Then, connect all the required power supply units to your miner. Most high-performance miners need 2 or more power cables. Double-check that all connections are firm and secure before proceeding. With your miner powered on and connected, it's time for software configuration. Open a web browser and enter your miner's IP address to access its interface. Here, you will join a mining pool. A pool combines your hashing power with thousands of other miners, increasing your chances of earning rewards. Input your pool's URL, your worker name, and your Bitcoin wallet address for receiving your earnings. Finally, ongoing monitoring is key to maximizing your mining efficiency. Regularly check your miner's dashboard for its temperature and hash rate. Aim for stable temperatures, typically below 80 degrees Celsius, to ensure longevity. If temperatures rise, adjust fan settings or improve ventilation. Periodically check for and install firmware updates. These often include performance enhancements and security patches, keeping your operation running smoothly and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.